Have you been buying your cranberry sauce in a can? Well, after this video, you might not want to do that anymore. Make your cranberry sauce, delicious cranberry sauce at home using just a few ingredients. If you are new to my channel, my name is Leia. I'm the creator of Leia's Culinary Treasure. Welcome. All you need is a bag of cranberries. It can be fresh or it can be frozen. Some sugar. I use orange juice. You can also use cranberry juice if you like. A few cloves to make it more Christmassy, why not? And some cinnamon if you would like. So to make this cranberry sauce, we are going to empty a bag of cranberries into a pot. Then we're adding 1 cup of sugar, half a cup of orange juice, half a cup of water. You can also use cranberry juice if you want instead of water. To make it more Christmassy, I'm gonna add just a few cloves. Stir everything together, and at the end you can add a tablespoon of lemon juice. So we let this cook until it's all nice and jammy. About 30 to 45 minutes until all the cranberry has been softened and it's going to be nice and like a jam. The cranberry has been cooking for about 30 minutes and I stir it a couple of times. So I'm going to leave it 10 or 15 minutes longer, just until everything comes together. Okay, the cranberry sauce is ready. I'm just adding a little bit of lemon juice and it's all done. I cooked it on low heat for 45 minutes and it's a little bit still runny, but it will thicken as it sits in the refrigerator. If you prefer to have more whole berries in your sauce, just decrease the cooking time. I hope that you find this easy recipe helpful, and please feel free to share, like, and leave me a comment. Thanks for watching.